Okay, so now I'm going to give you an example of when they give you just the output and you're supposed to find the input. Again, we did this in class, but this is just a review, and if you have any questions, please make sure that you email or remind text, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So in this case, your function rule is 2x minus 6, and you have three outputs that they gave you. So again, when we solve equations, we always use what's called the inverse operation, which is kind of like the opposite. So let's start with this subtraction. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So we're going to add 6 to 0. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. And then we go over here, and this 2x means to multiply. But again, we're using the inverse. The inverse of multiplication is division. So we need to divide by 2. So I'm going to do 6 divided by 2, which is going to give you 3. So, and again, you can always check your answer. You can write 2 times 3 minus 6. And you want to make sure that if you do this expression, solve it, that it equals 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. And that one's good. So then you know that your x value over here is going to be 3. Moving to the next column, we have a 6. Again, we use the inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. So I'm going to add 6. I'm going to do 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. We do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division, and I'm going to divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And again, I'm always going to check my work to make sure that it makes sense. 2 times 6 is 12, minus 6 is equal to 6. So my x value is going to be the 6. For the last one, again, use the inverse operation of subtraction. So I'm going to add 6. 12 plus 6 equals 18. And then I'm going to use the inverse of multiplication, which is division. I'm going to divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 2 times 9 minus 6. 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 6 is equal to 12. So my x value is 9. And again, if you were to graph these, you need to take the x, comma, y value. So you would do 3, comma, 0 would be your first point. 6, comma, 6 would be your second point. And 9, comma, 12 would be your third point. And then you're able to graph those if it was a graphing question. This was question number 15 on page 463. So this one's already done for you.